Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, the stock market, and today we will talk about Koei Tecmo Games, a Japanese gaming company. And as you know, they were just releasing War Long Fallen Destiny, a game that has unfortunately mostly negative reviews for now on Steam. So the reason is mouse keyboard controls are not working properly, and I think also the optimization for PC was pretty bad. So those are the reasons. But that's Koei Tecmo Games, so they release mostly some very Japanese Asian titles. So the stock is definitely worth a look, my friend. So let's jump here directly from the trailer to the stock. So this is the stock. So of course we talk about stocks here. We don't talk about the games in games specifically. So you find this information on other channels. So that's Koei Tecmo Holdings Corporation 5-year chart. And what do we see here? That actually since the Corona down, so Corona down 156% overall, Koei Tecmo went up. So this is in yen, but if you, for example, in Germany or in Europe, you can buy also an over-the-counter, or is it over-the-counter when it's in Frankfurt? So I know, I think it's not over-the-counter, and it's also not really an ADR, but probably it's a little bit similar like an ADR. So guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a YouTuber, retail investor myself, so please make up your own research. Don't buy anything I'm talking about here on this channel. This is always a very important, that's the most important advice, let's put it like this. So yeah, since March 2022, the stock can be also bought in Frankfurt, so probably as some financial product. So it's not the real stock, but it's just emulating the real stock. So, but I'm just assuming this because on the basis of my knowledge on ADR. So guys, and also on US dollars, you can also find the same, of course. Koei Tecmo Holdings, again, here it is. So if we look at the chart, so at the max chart, so the max chart is not that bad, I have to admit. So from 2009 now 1129%. So, and even if we would just go to the top before the Corona crash, it would have gone up like 560%, and even you could have even gotten it cheaper, so in 2012. So but from 2009 to 2012 it was not doing a lot, and only then, let's say in 2010 12, it started to go up a little bit. So people that bought the stock actually were kind of making money with it. So that's actually pretty impressive to see. And what I also like when I just look now at the technical point of view from the stock, then I also like that, guys, that it was not really coming back so massively. So this is the 21 bubble crash, the 21 bubble crash. Let's go on the 5 years. 21 bubble crash, 36% down only, even if you have bought on the top in 2021, September 2021. And then even from this top, you would have only lost then, let's say, yeah, 34 or 5%. And even if you have bought on the top there, and you would, then for, in comparison to now in 23, March of 23, 22% down. So this is not so bad. But on the other hand, yeah, like a lot of other stocks, of course, tech stocks in general, since 2022, 23, nothing really happened. So what I'm going to do, so I don't know, honestly, I don't know if this is a stock where I wanna put my money in. So for this we also have to check out actually again a little bit the game. So the mostly negative is actually really sad, but a lot of people still play this game. So Koei Tecmo, here you see again 92,000 followers on Twitter, that's pretty good. 29,000 YouTube followers, and on Steam they have 393,000 followers. So I'm personally not the biggest fan of their game. So Dynasty Warriors, Samurai Warriors, Nioh, of course, those are the games by them. So yeah, they make the Japanese games there. But the Dynasty Warriors series, I think, was pretty popular. Or Ninja Gaiden, also the old Ninja Gaiden, Dragon Quest Builder. See, I mean, they have a back catalog, so Jaiba, so Dead or Alive, for example, as well, somewhere rare. So they have a back catalog. That's already something I like. So they were just producing constantly new games. So that's how it should be, my friend. So, but yeah, always having a good back catalog is important for those gaming stocks, and the quality is also decent. But yeah, I don't know personally if this is a stock for me to buy. So I just want to present it to you. Also, we see here a dividend yield of 2.36%. 36%, that's cool. PE ratio of 38, yeah, that's actually already a bit high, so didn't see this before. A market cap of 770 billion Japanese yen. Yeah, okay, also here we only see the Japanese yen. Here we go. And yeah, founded 2009 and 2000 people already working for it. So also here we go through the financials very quickly here, the financial Google Finance, but I want to check with you actually here the presentation, because that's very interesting as well. So if you have more time, then check with me the presentations. Otherwise, thank you already for watching the first 6 minutes of my video, of course. Okay, income annual. Overall, we see net income went up since 2019. Net income up even now in 2022. It's up with regard to 21. Revenue 20% up. Operating expenses 9.55. Net income here around 20% up. Profit margin is down. And EBITDA also up. So that's good to see. Balance sheet also positive, up. Total liabilities up. So that's what I really like. So the numbers look good, guys. The numbers really look good. I mean, it looks like this is a company that is doing quite well. This is a company that is doing quite well, and it seems to be a kind of conservative. So that's already interesting to see. Also, we can compare it now, for example, to Nintendo. So let's compare it to Nintendo. And there we see Nintendo. Yeah, Nintendo was not going in 2020 like crazy up. So if we compare to September 21, then Koei Tecmo is 330% up and Nintendo only 11% up. If we compare it for now, we see then on the 5-year, we see that Koei Tecmo is 331% up and Nintendo is 7% up. So for 5 years with Nintendo, you wouldn't have earned anything. Well, 7.21% and the dividend. But with Koei Tecmo, you would have like tripled your money. So 200% on the top. So 100% one time and then another time. So triple. All right, guys. I would say then let's jump directly here to their page. Also, I like the page. It's in English. That's good. Japanese company. If you want to invest in it, very nice building. It's always good to see that you can also read all the data in English. So I'm not boring you now with those data. I would say we jump more directly here in this financial results for the third quarter of the fiscal year ending March 2023. So stay with me if you're interested in this, guys. So we go through this now. Highlights. Sales for the package game sector and the online mobile game sector have generally progressed as planned. So good to hear. We saw year-on-year decrease in sales and profits, as last year we had multiple new releases. Regarding non-operating income and expenses, despite our strategic reorganization, our portfolio loss on valuation and derivatives were recorded due to severe changes in financial environment. Yearly earnings forecast revised. Topics: so Nobunaga Ambition, that's the Japanese game name, is off to a good start after its release in December. Major titles such as Wild Hearts in Japan, it's Koei Tecmo with Wild Hearts, and Wolong Fallen Dynasty will be released in the fourth quarter. So also here, those are the games. This is this Nobunaga Ambition game. So I personally don't really play those games, but I kind of understand if people enjoy those games, of course. Financial summary. So with regard to the previous year, we see a delta of -10% in sales, operating profit -15, ordinary profit -56. So operating profit ordinary profit, so someone has to explain this to me. Net profit, so that's more important, minus 52%. Also, as it seems, Koei Tecmo, like all the other gaming companies, is also affected by the slowdown. But on the other hand, if you look at the chart, it doesn't look so bad. Doesn't look so bad that they so badly affected. So major titles: Ultra Kaiju Monster Ranger for console, now on sale. Online mobile Nobunaga Ambition Hadu, that's for mobile, and Romance of the Three Kingdoms. So that's what I like. They actually go with their games a lot to the mobile sector. Released in December and then released in Korea. Good to see that. Results by business segment. So entertainment. So everything is, I think more or less everything is down except amusement, real estate, and corporate elimination, so whatever this means again. So but entertainment, that's the most important part, and amusement is also up a little bit. That's good to see. Probably they have some fun park, I don't know. Entertainment sales so are a little bit down. Sales amounts by region, that's very important to see. So most of the sales are in Japan, so 51%. So it's really, if you bet on them, you really bet to 50% on Japan, on the Japanese market, but with 48% on overseas market. So also there's, it seems that, or there might be some more growth actually in the overseas market. So Europe, very small amount of their sales, and North America 10.8%, and Asia overall, the overall Asian market 34%. So the North American and European market is negligent. So there's maybe some growth. So units sold by region, number of DL. So units sold Japan overseas. That's interesting. So it seems that they sold more units overseas, and North America just a little bit less than Japan. All right, so sales amounts, and units. So that's always now the question: what is units and what is sales amounts? Breakdown on the sales for the entertainment sector. So mostly selling for mobile, smartphone, social, and then also for consoles and package. DL is download the game. If you download the game, and DLC is the downloadable content. So yeah, now we got it, guys. So sales trends in online mobile going a little bit down, but overall, I mean, hey, it's mobile. I'm sure this comes back. So, but look at this in 19, it really went up like crazy, and still holds up nicely on the top. So definitely good to see. Major cost headcounts, employment cost, and subcontracting costs. All right, revision on full year earnings estimate. All right, the revision is, it was better, it seems now. Previous year, so the operating profit revised upwards. Oh, okay, that's good to see. Regarding non-operating income and expenses, loss on valuation and of derivatives were recorded due to severe change in the financial environment. So, timeline now. Wild Hearts came out. So, yeah, well, it's an okay game. So Wolong also very bad reception in the West and Steam for now, but maybe better on consoles. Fatal Frame, Atelier Rizzer, Winning Post, Fate Samurai. So all of these games come out. Rise of Ronin. So very special game. So that's it, my friends. So I hope you enjoyed this little presentation, and you enjoyed this video about this company Koei Tecmo that were just releasing the game Wolong. So therefore it's timely that I talk about this company, I would say, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.